Say hello, hello, hello. Uh, Hello, viewers. I am Ram Kamal with you. Today we are going to talk about the language and what are the language skills and how to produce a language and what are the problems coming uh, while using the language in human mind and what are the hindrances that obstructs our speaking skills that we will discuss today. Let us go for the first uh, perspective, that is natural science. How we listen, why we don't listen properly, uh, that we will understand. First of all, we will understand the structural format of listening objects, that is ear. We have got two ears, and both ears are used to listen the sounds. How this sound was developed earlier, that you understand, as per the social context uh, and the time and the learning way, we can say collective learning. We will go back 12,000 years back when civilization was developed. There was there was uh, there was language but undeveloped. People were using some letters and words to communicate their feelings to others. How it came in the form of words and sentences, that we are going to learn today. And what are the problems today in contemporary society to speak a child whatever uh, he feels. Let us go far in past. We have interacted, we have made the society, uh, and we have tried due to solving our problems. For instances, there was a problems of food where we started collecting the foods. Then we have gone to certain more alternatives like pet animals, keeping the pet animals. Then we have gone to we have increased our requirements. We have gone for consumer use consumer mass consumption, that due to increase of consumption, we have gone to industrial revolution, and afterwards we needed more information to develop further, and we have gone to information society. This was the process happened during the course of uh, human development. Both these things are related with us in language development also. How it is related, I will explain it. Uh, slowly, in interaction, we have developed language. There were many languages established as per. There were many languages being used in different regions, and people the people mixed and transferred to others, and same were being used by others also. This was, you can say, cultural exchange. Now, what are the problems that one society can't one can't understand others language if both are mixed without knowing the language. So knowing of any language uh, is always useful for the human being. We are talking about certain specific language. For example, uh, English has gone to different places from the European country, and now it is international language, and it has become important for each and everyone to uh, know it and to know it and use it for our daily interaction and day to day use. Now, this is the language development sequentially in the society as per the society development, and we will talk about the structural format of society. What is the problems with a child from birth to his adulthood, and how language is not being used by some of the people properly and some of the people using fluently. That difference we'll try to understand. Some people they have got the environment community support, and they are using the language. Rejection and acceptance of any actions, let it be language or anything, is the most important to develop that. This is the theory can be used in the case of language development. So from childhood, a child passes through different type of stages. uh, Adolescence, pre-adolescence, adolescence, adulthood, and passes through different psychological conditions. Uh, Adulthood, they are very what we say, they are not elastic in their thoughts. There is lack of elasticity. There are lack of fluctuations. They are rigid, and uh, here the comes social culture comes in between to development of the language. So a child has to learn the culture as well as use the language, and restrictions of society that creates the conflicts in the mind of the children in that stage where they think that they are only right. This is the psychological aspect I am talking. So, what is the alternative that you have to think? In that case, how a child can develop the language? Let it be any language. So, community support is, I feel, community support is the most important factor that must be kept in mind for language development. Not only language development, every development, community support is very much important. This the things were discussed here about the development of language from initial to a child. What are the problems being faced? Our structure must be such. Our family should be educated to develop the language, and we should be educated. Let the child be free. Let the child express his feelings, what he feels. Then only a child can develop the language. Because environment, here is the environment. Two factors are important for development of a human being, that is hereditary and environment. Here environment plays the important role of language development. There are four skills to be developed, uh, and that all have to uh, that all can develop only when we support the child, we support the adolescence, and we understand the mature person has ability, intelligence to solve their problems in better way because with the help of experiences. That experience must be created from early years so that a child can be independently think. The culture, there is a contrast, there is a uh, problem, conflict of culture and development. So a child should must feel some quantum of some quantity of freedom to use their language. For us, the primary unit of society, that is family, is the most important to help a child. So this is the thing. We must understand. We must adjust with the culture as well as the latest development what is happening around. Other than that, Uh, that we have talked certain perspective like social perspective, psychological perspective, and natural perspective. Uh, that is scientific ears are made to listen, mouth is made to speak, with eating, etc. Some is that also work is there. So why not to they, why not these to let them do their work? You have to support a child environmentally as well uh, as let them develop their skill independently. Today we have talked about certain aspects of the skill and what is the language, what are the problems faced by a human being for development of language, and slowly we'll come. I will try to speak in Hindi also in next session, and try to clarify certain doubts in human minds about the language, about the specific language. I feel language is nowhere hindrance in culture development, anything developments, or human development. The more language we know, the more better we understand the society. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.